Well, let's get the view from the city now. Joining me is Alastair McCaig, market specialist at WorldSpreads. Alastair, these downgrades have had some effect today on the equity markets, but the bond market's taking the biggest hit, right?
It's true, yes. The bond markets are the ones that have really shown the reflection on this. I think the UK banks have drifted a little bit. It'd be worth noting that some of the biggest fallers and index point movers have been HSBC and Barclays, although they have had a little bit of independent news flow out about themselves. Worth noting.
No, we've also seen with BP rather, that this concern that there will be some manslaughter charges in the States. What effect has that had?
BP is off on the day, down about 10.5 pence. Last time I glanced just before the close, and it had been in negative territory for most of the day, certainly from mid-morning onwards. It's speculation at the moment because this hasn't been confirmed, but the fear is that they will, the Federal Commission rather, will look to maybe prosecute individuals as well as BP.
But overall, might be considered something of a surprise that the FTSE actually managed to finish the day in positive territory.
To be honest with you, yes, it is a little bit surprising. It was maybe the last half hour where we really had a little bit of a run on the upside. As I say, the banks were negative, and part of that was on the back of the Independent Commission on Banks potentially looking to raise the Basel III requirements, maybe even doubling them, which is going to play heavily on the banks, just in regards to the story you were just talking about there as well. And we were relatively rudderless for most of the day. And in fairness, by the time we closed, there was only really maybe a 40-point range from the high and the low on the FTSE.
OK, Alastair, thank you very much.
Thank you.